Alright everyone, welcome back. We just talked about how cells divide, specifically through a process called mitosis, which is all about making exact copies. But guess what? Your body actually has another super important way cells divide, and it's totally different. Today, we're going to compare mitosis and meiosis and see why both are absolutely essential for life. So, let's quickly recap mitosis. Remember, that's the copy and paste division. It happens in most of your body's cells, your skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, you name it. Its main job is for growth and repair. When you cut yourself, mitosis makes new skin cells to heal the wound. When you grow taller, mitosis is busy making more cells to help you get bigger. The key takeaway for mitosis is that one parent cell divides once to create two identical daughter cells, each with the full set of DNA, just like the original. It's all about making perfect clones. Now, let's introduce meiosis. This is the specialized cell division that happens only in specific cells in your body, the ones that make sperm in males and eggs in females. These are often called sex cells or gametes. And the purpose of meiosis is completely different. Instead of making identical copies for growth, meiosis is all about reproduction and creating genetic diversity. Here's the big difference. In meiosis, a parent cell goes through 2 rounds of division, not just one. And instead of ending up with 2 identical cells, you end up with 4 cells. But here's the even more crucial part. These 4 cells are not identical to the original parent cell, and they only have half the amount of DNA. Think about it. When a sperm and an egg come together to create a new individual, you want half the genetic information to come from one parent and half from the other. If both sperm and egg carried the full amount of DNA, the new organism would end up with double the normal amount, and that just wouldn't work. So, meiosis acts like a genetic halving process, ensuring that when sperm and egg fuse, the new individual gets the correct total number of chromosomes. Another huge difference in meiosis is something cool called crossing over. Imagine that the DNA from your mom and dad, which is organized into pairs of structures called chromosomes, actually swap tiny pieces of information with each other during meiosis. This mixing and matching means that the 4 resulting sperm or egg cells are all genetically unique. This is why siblings can look similar but are never exactly identical, unless they're identical twins from a single egg. This genetic shuffling is incredibly important for evolution and adaptation. So, in a nutshell, mitosis is about making exact, full DNA copies for growth and repair, producing 2 identical cells. Meiosis is about making unique, half DNA copies for reproduction, producing 4 genetically diverse cells. Both are masterpieces of nature, ensuring life continues and diversifies. Pretty mind-blowing, right?